Hello everyone, thank you for visiting my channel again. Today I want to treat this design today. I want to show us how I was able to make this. When you arrange, you can use it as brooch. You can go for brooch. You can go for earring, and you can use it as necklace. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel. So let's go to the table. Everyone, this is Shining Folake Orebi. I am here again today to say thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. All those that have subscribed, I'm giving you thanks. And if you are new, you just come across this channel, please subscribe to it. On this channel, what I do is mostly about beads. I'm a beader. I bead. Can you see this is what I want to treat today? This can be used for brooch, for necklace. So let's go to the tutorial fully. I'm having my bead here. I'm using size 3. I was using size 3 all through. I'm having my fish line, my cutter, and my needle. You put your thread inside your needle. You take one, you pick one as top bead. You tie it 2 or 3 times. Then you now pick 19. Six. Sixteen. Remain 3. 19. So this is 19. This is 19 plus the stop bead, that it will give us 20. So you pick it like this from the end. You leave the first one, take the second one. Start from the end. See the way I hold it. Then you draw it. You draw. And you pick 3. After drawing, you pick 3. 1, 2, 3. Let it go down. So picking that 3, you will now count. You will now count 3. See where I came out from here. See the fish line. Then you now 1, 2, 3. So the fourth one, you use the first one to come out. You come out through the fourth one. Then you pick 3 again. Then you now count 3. Can you see the fish line? The thread. Can you see the thread? 1, 2, 3. Then you use the fourth one. You come out through the fourth one. So you pick 3 again. Then you now count 3. Then the fourth one, you use the needle to pass through the fourth one. You come out. See what it's giving us. So you pick 3 again. This is 3. Then you now count 3. Then you now come out through the 4th one. So this is it. So then you turn. Make sure you tie. You pull it very well. Then you now, after pulling it, you pull it. See where it came out. There's 2 that is left up. You know we are doing a leaf pattern. Then you now pick 2. And you see you pick 2. So from here now you pick 3 again. You know we came out from the second one, the remaining one. Then you now count 2 more. So from this one at the center, you come out. Then you pick 3. So the next one, you come out at the center, you pick you use the one at the center. So also you pick 3. And the last one, you pick the center, you come out. So here, you now turn. You know the first one is a 4. It will be reducing 3, 2, 1. So that is the way it goes. You see. Make sure you pull very well. Please look at what I'm doing. So you pick the one at the center. And you pick this one at the center. Then you now turn again. This is the way it was going. Turn again. So you now pass through this one. Then you now count 3. Then you pick this last one at the center. So this is half part. So we are going to go to the other side and do the other part. So for us to go to the other side, you pass through this one up. For me, I prefer to roll it tight. Then you now start from here. Can you see? You pick 2. So you now pick 3. Pick this one on the center. Another 3. Pick this. And you pick another 3 for the last one. Then you now turn. Yeah. I pick 3. See, the pattern is coming out now. You see, the leaf pattern is coming out. You take the last one at the center. Then you turn. You take 2. And now take 3. You take it up. So you now tie. Now tie. Can you see? You tie very well before you cut. So now you can use any color. You can use this as brooch. I join it with fish line. You can do the same. You can use this as brooch on any of your. You can use it for your clothes, for your hat. So please do yours and drop the link for me, or you drop it on my Facebook handle. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. Thumbs up, like my video, drop your comments. I would love to read from you. And those that have been commenting, I thank you. I've answered so many questions and I've done a lot of videos that you want me to do. Thank you very much. See you on my next video.